Hey y'all, hey, your girl Sweet Angel. Back to the channel. We got some more goodies. We got some goodies today. We got some goodies from AVON, some new products that I want to share, and you know I'm going to come with a full review real soon so y'all can know what you need to snatch and grab this stuff. Okay, just a few things. So honey, you ain't even got to get nothing to drink. Just sit here, watch the whole video, and go on about your business. That's all we're gonna do. That's it. That's it. Just a few things. Y'all know we got books. They always sending books. I didn't ask for no books. I didn't want no books. All kind of books. Oh my gosh. Have to go through the books so I can find the presents I want to give y'all. They got some new style books here. The Edit. Then and now, just some goodies. Yeah, we'll be talking about that real soon. More little brochures. I got everything lined up here. We're getting ready to do another giveaway real soon. So if you have not subscribed to Sugar Fingers, if you haven't subscribed to Beauty by Sweet Angel, you need to do that. If you haven't subscribed to Behind the Scenes Life with Sweet Angel and Mike, to do that. And if you haven't subscribed to Sweet Angel Live and checked out my music, do that for real. Yes, you do. Links are down below. I think I got everything. Y'all, not a whole lot, but let's just talk about. I am loving this right here. Oh, yes, yes, yes. This is the AVON A New Upper Eye Cream. Yes. I got some samples for y'all. Check that out. If you want that, you gotta be one of my beautiful babes. Simple as that. I got several of them to give away. They're little, you know, little leaflets. So, you know, got that to give away. Oh, got some of this. I want to say this is pronounced Lyrd or Lyrd. I don't know. L-Y-R-D. I'll put it on the screen for you. But this is the Penny Rose du Parfum. So, you want one of these? You got to subscribe. Because you know me doing some giveaways. You know this. Ooh, y'all remember this? You know what? One of y'all commented on one of my other videos about, you know, the Bug Guard, the Skin So Soft, stuff for the essentials for summer, you know, and you reminded me, yes, the Skin So Soft original. People have been using this to, you know, ward off the mosquitoes. You know, hey, if that's what you do, that's what you do. But I use it as well to keep my skin so soft. Absolutely. This is the original one here. So everything that I got today will be linked below in case you want to hit them links, girl. Y'all know I'm an AVON representative, independent sales agent. So shop my online store. Now, I don't come ringing your doorbell like ding dong or nothing, okay? That ain't gonna be me. I do online sales, so check me out right there if you really want to support this channel. That'll be awesome. Oh, y'all, I've been wanting to try this. I've been wanting to try this. This is new. It's the Magic's Blur. This is a primer, and it's supposed to be great under your makeup and have these great blurring effects so you can look flawless, okay? And I want to say you can probably use it under makeup or alone. Interesting. It has a little sponge here. Get in here. Just like a little balm. That is so cute. And it has a light scent. You know, nothing overbearing about that. So glad to have this. We'll be trying that out. I haven't done a makeup look here on the channel in a minute. So we're going to do that. All of that. And I hope my camera is coming through good, loud, and clear. I do have a new mic. Y'all know I have a new camera, but I'm trying it out. So this is really a test run. So if it's a whack video, it ain't my fault. It's this camera for sure. Ooh, and then I have some of the Peony or Perio maybe. The Thorough White. This is a whitening gel. I think I can probably use this with a little teeth, whatever thing it is. Thing I already have. I could just squirt it in there, but that's how they look. Actually, okay, you probably just applied. It has a little applicator. So I'm going to try that out and see if I can get my smile pearly like yours. Because I know you cute. And then, is this the final thing? I think this is the last. Yeah, this is the last item. This is the Himalayan Pink Salt. This is a soap bar. I am really, really interested in checking this out. The Velvet Natural Spa Sea Rose de Himalaya. Okay. Oh yeah, we're gonna check her out. Go ahead and open this up because this is going to the shower with me tonight. Yes, it is. And I'll let you know. Oh. Smells good, like roses. It's not rough at all, so I know it probably has the salt in it, but I don't feel nothing right now, so I'll let you know how that works out for the skin. And that's it, beautiful babes. That is it, you know. But just as an honorable mention, I did tell y'all that my favorite lashes, which I do have on a pair right now, is the Lyrd London Jasmine Brown Faux Glow. So I picked up some of these from Ulta. Well, I ordered them online. Ulta. So I have 4 pairs. So I'm excited about that. And I can keep my lashes, my favorite ones, stocked up. Okay. But I did go ahead and snip the end because they were a little bit too long, you know, lengthwise for my eyelids. But anyway, that is it, y'all, and good luck on the upcoming giveaways. Make sure you are one of my beautiful babes subscribed. Okay, perfect. I'm out of here. I'll see y'all on the next one. Please like, comment, subscribe, and always keep the hair, the face, the hands, and your feet looking gorgeous. Deuces.